Tyre pressure warning light on in a Renault Zoe. This is a 2020 model, all electric, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset that now. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is with this push start button here, you press it on, foot off the brake and the accelerator. Ignition is now on, vehicle checks in progress. You let it go through that process, and then you're going to be using, see the service required as well. Warning is on in it. So we're going to be taking all these warnings off now. Adjust the tire pressure. Adjust the tire pressure, making sure that the readings are correct. The pressures are correct. So we come here to this and we flick up and down. And you can see the different readings that comes out. Service due, tire pressure, right hand rear. That has all been adjusted now, so we need to reset that. But this button here, if you look at this button here, that moves it across. See the way it jumped from the car to the music? So flick it back to the car, then the up and down arrow to get to the information you want. Once you get to that, you press and hold OK. So the middle button, press and hold OK. That'll start to flash, learning tire pressures. And then for the service reset, we go out of that. Press and hold OK. As you can see, the service warning has been reset. Let me go back in now. Tire pressures, check that. Okay, turn the ignition off. Back on again. Vehicle checks back in progress again. Let's see what we come up with this time. Press and start vehicle. And as you can see, the warnings are now all reset. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it useful and informative. If you did, please like, share, comment and subscribe. And I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.